Hello everyone, welcome with Munisha Nair. Today let's make orange candied peels. For that, here I have taken a kadai. To this I have added some water. To this I am adding half teaspoon of baking soda. You need to slightly mix this and add all these Malta orange peels. So you can use Malta, Valencia, whatever orange you have, you can use that. So here I have used peels of at least 16 oranges. I am going to wash these peels well. Once we have washed these peels nicely, we'll drain off the water. And now using a spoon, you need to scrape off the white part and discard. So do as shown here. So you need to repeat the same with all other orange peels. So this will remove the bitterness from the orange when you will discard the white part. Still the candied peel will have bitterness. It will be a combination of sweet and bitter, but it is a good type of bitter and you're going to love it because you can have this like a mouth freshener as well. After eating food, you can have 1 to 2 candied peels and it will act as a mouth freshener and it will give a nice fresh breath from your mouth. And it will be very good for health, and you can even use these for chocolates, for making cakes, cookies, muffins, a lot of bakery and confectionery products, and or you can eat this as it is, just daily 1 to 2 pieces. So now you need to cut this as shown here. You need to cut these into thin strips and do not waste even a drop of orange peels. These peels are very useful, so cut all the peels as shown here. So once you cut this into thin strips, on side I have placed the water to boil in a heavy bottom vessel, a big vessel. I have placed good amount of water to boil on medium flame. So once the water comes to a boil, as you can see here, we will add all the orange peels. So this process is done to make the orange soft in texture and to remove slight bitterness from the peels. So we will cook this on medium flame for 12 minutes. And you need to mix in between. So this process will soften the peels as well as remove slight bitterness. Slight, not too much, but slight bitterness. Now it's been 12 minutes. Now I'll drain off the water and remove the orange peel carefully and place it on a bowl. Once we have placed these orange peels on a bowl, we'll start making sugar syrup. So as you can see, these peels look soft now. Now for the sugar syrup, I have drained off that water and I have taken a clean vessel. To this I am adding 1 cup of granulated sugar. To this I am adding 1 cup of water. Now we will cook this on medium flame and let the sugar dissolve completely. Keep on mixing and let the sugar dissolve completely. So once the sugar dissolves completely, as you can see here, we will add all our cooked orange peels. Once we have added all the orange peels, now you need to cook this until the mixture thickens. That means the peels should absorb all the sugar syrup and the moisture should all evaporate. So it took me around 30 minutes on medium flame. So you need to cook it until then. So the timing may differ, it may take a little more time. So just check and keep on mixing in between. As you can see, the water has been evaporated and there is only sugar left. Now the sugar will be absorbed completely by the peels. So keep on mixing in between. Now it's been 30 minutes and you can see there's no sugar syrup left. Everything is absorbed by the orange peels and it's ready. Now immediately we'll start placing this on top of butter paper sheets one by one. So I am using hands and placing this one by one like this. So if you feel the temperature, like the orange peel temperature is little hot, so what you can do is you can use fork or spoon first to place on butter paper sheets, and then you can use your hands and place. But you need to do this process fast because nor the peels will stick to the vessel. So do it fast and place on butter paper. So this is best as a mouth freshener. You can have this 1 to 2 pieces after having food. You can use it for bakery products, for making cakes, muffins, chocolates. You can dip this in chocolate and have it, or even you can gift this to your loved ones. And this is mostly made during Christmas, or you can have it whenever orange is in season. So once you make this, let this rest in room temperature for 1 hour. Now it's been 1 hour. Here in a small mixie jar, I have taken half cup of granulated sugar. I am going to coarsely grind this for few seconds. Now you can see it should be little powderish and little grainy in texture. I am adding this to this plate, and now we'll start adding our orange candied peels little by little. Now we'll mix this like this using hands so that the sugar gets coated to the peels. And we'll remove this and place on a plate. And similarly we'll do the same with other candied peels as well. So once these peels, all the peels have been coated with sugar, you need to store this in an airtight dry container, and you need to keep this outside in a cool place, and you can have it whenever you want. And always before having the orange peels for eating or any purpose, use dry hands, then your orange peels will last longer. So similarly we have coated all our orange peels, and as you can see we have got so many orange peels. And these peels are rich in vitamin C and very good for health. Definitely try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. And please do try this recipe. And remember friends, like, share and subscribe. Till then, see ya. Thank you for watching.